Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd, 2024. I am here at the Florida Yacht Club, and this is an inspection video for Sojourn. Before I go ahead and do the inspection video, I'm going to go ahead and go over all your zincs that you have. You have 2 inch or 2 3/4 inch shaft zincs, 4 R4 trim tab zincs, 2 DP612 transom zincs, 2 large spur zincs, 2 R5 rudder zincs, and 2 size A prop nut zincs for your bow thrusters. Now that I've done that, let's go ahead and inspect the boat.